Uptown Swing.
Hey, I'm Mikey B.
And I'm Stacia. This was level 2 musicality. You guys were awesome right off the bat.
Oh, yeah.
This is a very strong
Really
level
good.
2. We talked about a couple of things. We're just going to remind you of the hits in this recap, and you can do your homework. We gave you some fun homework. So we talked about swinging and not swinging. We listened to some different songs. They were all jams and fun to dance to, made you want to dance, but not necessarily swinging.
They did a really good job finding those, the differences.
Super
Great.
clear. We also talked about the mood of the song. We had you describe them. We just want you to do this till the end of time now. When you hear a song, don't just dance to it, but consider how does it make you feel?
Yeah.
How can you put that feeling into your dancing? And lastly, we talked about the structure of some jazz music, AABA. We listened to some songs where it was easier or harder to feel that, and you guys were nailing it. So come back next week for more stuff. And as a reminder of your homework,
Yeah.
some of you were super curious about Fats Waller. You were going to go Google. We heard some Sidney Bechet that was so beautiful, and I just said, like, go do yourselves a favor.
We told them to go find a modern song that actually swung.
Yeah, so gold stars. If you come back next week and tell us. That's it. Brappy's going to go have a baby.
See ya.